Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Mint Mobile SIM card. First, locate your new Mint Mobile SIM card and the activation code that came with it. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Mint's network before you begin. Downloading the Mint Mobile app beforehand can also make the setup process much smoother and quicker for you, ensuring a seamless transition to your new service. Now, let's get that SIM card into your phone. Always power off your device completely before attempting to insert or remove a SIM card. Use the small SIM ejector tool, usually found in your phone's box, to open the SIM tray. Carefully place your Mint Mobile SIM into the tray, then slide it back into your phone. Power your device back on to proceed. With the SIM card installed, it's time to activate your service. Open the Mint Mobile app you downloaded earlier. The app will guide you through the activation process. You'll be prompted to enter the activation code that came with your SIM card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete your setup and get your new Mint Mobile service up and running quickly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your phone can often resolve minor connectivity problems. If your data isn't working, you might need to manually check or update your APN settings, which you can find on the Mint Mobile website. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your new Mint Mobile service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.